So when you go to buy a Hawk, or if you own a Hawk, when you do any of the reading and research, you'll see a lot of people tell you, make sure when you get it, you go through and put Loctite on every single bolt and tighten everything down. And you think, I wonder why. Well, I pretty much took that advice. I tightened everything important down. But of course, the one thing that I didn't tighten down, get back from a ride a couple days ago, I noticed the cover for the exhaust is gone. That thing was held on by 1, 2, 3 bolts. And it vibrated loose and blew away somewhere on the road. So, again, thanks to the nice folks over at CSC Motorcycles out there in California and their extensive part collection. If you're not aware, most of the parts from the TT250 fit the Hawk. So, a couple days later, I've got a new shield. Only like $15 or something, really cheap. And they had all the hardware to put it on. So we'll be back in business. But just a little advice, make sure you do go through and put Loctite on everything and tighten it down.